Good afternoon, dear friends. Once again, welcome you to Mahanadi Times Media Productions. Today we are in Jharapada. In front of me, there is a most historical temple, Barampura Temple. It is most famous, not only in Sambalpur, everywhere in our Odisha. It looks like, you see, just like Puri, Sri Jagannath Dham looks is coming here. Let I take you to inside of the temple and show you something and tell you some historical background of it. Well, during the time of kingdom, Sambalpur kingdom, this temple has been established and constructed by the then Sambalpur king, and it is probably in the year of 1500 century to 1600 centuries. This is the frontage side of the temple. It is very much architecture, very much attractive. You see, that is another entrance point of the temple. This is the main entrance point of the temple. That will go inside. Now we are inside the temple, and you see how much it has been decorated and developed by the local peoples and by the trustees. I am showing you one by one, part by part. This has been developed and colored by the temple authority. You see the height of the temple. It is just in front of you. It is Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra, Subhadra. The importance of the temple is too much because it is a temple more than 500 years old, and just side to the temple there is another a hall that is run by and maintained by Jubardhana and trustee members of the temples. So one more important aspect of the temple is that during the time of Sambalpur kingdom, one king, namely Balabhadra Sai, he had donated 3 pieces of diamond for the Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra for their makut, and that has been reflected in the books of Sambalpur Itihas written by our historians, Mr. Deepak Pinda, and another historian also mentioned about that. Let I take you to another site. This is the road side of the temple. You see how it is looks beautiful. And this temple now run by the trustees, and there are many villages and agricultural land has been named in the temple to run and maintain smoothly, but exactly the figure and data can be stated by the trustee members and authority. The important significance of this temple is that there is a village in the name of Barampura, just the back side of the river Barampura, near to Chaurpur. This is the temple where Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra are there, and this temple is in the history of Sambalpur and having very important role for the spreading of Sanatan Dharma. And these temples is so famous in Western Odisha like as Jagannath Dham, Jagannath Temple. Thank you very much.